Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear maths channel aspirants. So here is your video for the root, how to solve roots. Your messages you want to how to we can solve roots from the basic. So here is a video for you. How can we add the roots? How can we subtract the root? How we can multiply the roots and how we can divide the roots. Okay. So here is addition of roots. So simple, very easy. We compare the roots. If we have root sign and if we have addition of roots and the values in the root which the values which are in the roots are same, just like same, so we can how can we we have just like these are compared with the algebra. This is just like the variables. Okay, if you say this is a variable, so if I say this is x variable and this is same the x variable, what can we do in algebra? We can just add the coefficient, just like in the addition of roots. We have 1 here and we have 1 here, so we can write 2 under root 6. This is our answer. Just compare it with the variables. Okay, we have the same variable when we do the addition. Okay, so here is the variables are same, root 2 and root 2 are same. So 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7, 7 under root 2, this is our answer. Okay, so simple. Just now if we have the values which are different in the roots, just like under root 3 and here we have under root 2, so variables are different now, just like if it is x and this is not x, this is y, so we can't add the different variables in algebra. Just like in roots we can't add the different roots value. So 8 under root 3 plus 4 under root 2 is similar. We can't add these numbers, so the answer is similar. We can't add these roots. Okay, now the addition of roots is complete here, and now how can we subtract the roots? So same as the addition of roots, so subtraction is roots is, I'm not changing the question, the question is same here. Okay, subtraction is possible, will both same as the algebra. When we have the same variables, we can subtract the variables. So under root 6 minus under root 6, we get answer that is 0. Just like x minus x, you get answer 0. Okay, 4 under root 2 minus 3 under root 2, the variables are same, the root values are same. So 4 minus 3 which is equals to 1, so under answer is under root 2, we can write the value 1. Okay, so here answer. And it's same as the addition. Subtraction is also, if we have the different variables, the different root values, we can't subtract the values. 8 minus 4 is not 4 under root 3 minus 2, so we can write 8 under root 3 minus 4 under root 2 is same. No subtraction is possible when the root values are different. Okay, so the answer is same. Here is completing the addition and subtraction of root. Now the multiplication of root. How can we solve the multiplication of root? So now the multiplication of roots. I am not changing a question because you have the concept. So this is why I am not changing a question. So multiplication of root is possible. How can we solve the multiplication of root? So simple, under root 6 multiply by under root 6. Okay, just like variable x multiply by y, the answer is xy. So 6 multiply by 6, in the root you have 6 multiply by 6. And when we have the value which are pair in the root, so the value is out of the root because 6 is square and the value of root is equals to 1 upon 2. So square of 6 36 and 36 square is 6. Okay, so answer is 6. Now how can you solve this, the root values and the coefficient value? Okay, 4 multiply by 3 and the root 2 multiply with the root 2. 4 3s are 12, and we can say in the root we have 2 multiply by 2. Again we have the pair value 2 multiply by 2. So 1 2 is out of the root. 12 multiply by 2 which is equals to 24. The answer is 24. Okay, now this time the variables are different, but multiplication is possible in the variables. So 8 multiply by 4 and under root 3 multiply with under root 2. 8 4s are 32 and under root 3 multiplied by with under root 2, which is equals to 3 2s are 6. So the answer is 3 2s are 6. So 6 is not from the out of, here is 6 with not in the pair, so 6 is not out from the root. So 32 under root 6 is your is our answer. Okay. So now the division of root, how can we divide the roots? So under root 6 divided by under root 6, we can write under root 6 divided by under root 6. So cancel the under root 6 with cancel out under root 6, we get answer, that is 1. So simple. And 4 under root 2, 4 under root 2 divided by 3 under root 2. Okay. So under root 2 is divided by under root 2, 4 upon 3 is remaining. So 4 upon 3 is our answer. So here the root values are same. Now the root values are different. How can we divide? 8 under root 3 divided by 4 under root 2. Now 4 ones are 4 and 4 twos are 8. Okay, now the coefficients are divided, but the variables are but the variable or the root signs are not divided. So how can we solve this type of question? Now you have the answer is 2 under root 3 upon under root 2. We don't, in roots we don't have any value not in the answer. We don't have answer with root sign. So how can we remove the root? We can multiply and divide this answer with is under root 2 under root 2. We can multiply and divide the answer with root the value which are in the denominator. Okay, here under root 2 is in the denominator remaining, so we can multiply and divide with the under root 2. So 2 ones are 2 and the variables are multiplied, so we get 2 3 twos are 6. Okay, 2 under root 6 is on numerator, and what we have in denominator 2 multiply by 2, in the root we have 2 multiply by 2, and the pair value is out of the root, so 2 under root 6. In denominator we have 2 is out of the root, so 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, we cancel the 2, so answer is under root 6 now. So it's so simple, you can solve the, I hope you can get the you can clear your concept of root from very basic questions. If you learned something and you like my video, please like my videos, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you my dear aspirant. Allah Hafiz.